Okay, for this video we're going to look at the InEdit style data grid. And essentially what that means is that the data within the grid itself is where we're going to manage that data. I've selected the draggable temp row in the data grid. I can clear my selection by selecting the clear edit command. I can add to the data in this data row. Not row, but data object, and I've got the ability to both clone and start out with a fresh row of data. I chose to clone, and I'm going to go ahead and enter that, and you can see again that this is Ajax driven. This time I'm going to double click the temp clone and edit the value that's there. I'm going to say temp clone. I'm going to change that to update and update that. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a row, but I'm going to start out with a fresh row of data. Fresh row. And I'm going to insert this. So you can see how quick and easy it is to manage data within a data table object. And this code is dynamically generated. It's pre-compile time, not live, but dynamically generated by a code generator, which is patent pending. But essentially what it does is it generates standard .NET code to reproduce everything that you see. It's based on an object-oriented framework and class structure, and as a member of that structure, I'm using a data grid component from a company called Component Art. They have very powerful data grids. They give you a very nice base starting point to work with, and then it's up to you, the developer, to go from there. Now, I've used their components since 2004, and over time I've gotten very, very good using and utilizing their capabilities and expanding them and extending them quite a bit, and that's what you're seeing here. And but again, if you want to find out more about Component Art, take a look at their website. They just have a ton of really wonderful controls, and they've won a lot of awards. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on the fresh row of data. This is a live site, so I don't want it here. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to choose delete. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to say OK, and you can see it's gone. If I go to the next one, I can choose to delete that one, and I can cancel it if I want. And you can see that it rejected the change. I'm going to go ahead and delete it. Say OK, and I'm going to delete the last one, and then we'll be back to some good data. Now, I hope that what you've gained from this is the fact that this grid is bug-free, it's Ajax-driven, it's very powerful, and I have another presentation that covers the code generator in detail and all the different facets that it has for creating the data grids and the other controls on the site, and I hope you take some time to look at that. But the very basic InEdit style data grid is what this video was about today. Thank you.